Twilight Turtle is a nightlight that creates a magical sleep time routine by projecting stars, a crescent moon, and 8 constellations onto the walls and ceiling of any room. The shell is specifically designed to illuminate in 3 soothing color options. Twilight Turtle's shell emits a soft and gentle glow that creates a beautiful and calming nightlight effect. Complete with a fully illustrated star guide, Twilight Turtle helps parents and children identify each constellation in a fun, interactive, and soothing environment. Twilight Turtle transforms your child's fear of the dark into a comforting sleep time setting.